Alright, what's up guys? This is Taylor doing the free video for Wednesday the 6th of August. 4 bigger picture ideas for you, and the key with these is, these aren't 15-minute time frames, these are not hourly time frames. For one, they can take their sweet time to unfold. Number two, of course, like anything in the market, they might not work at all, and three, for a few of these, we could see a pretty good flush. In some cases, 5, 10+%. Wouldn't change too much in terms of the structure and the signals across these bigger time frames. So keep all that in mind. And first up here will be the Google. And Google setting up in this beautiful monthly squeeze that I think market willing could kick off a path, eventually into 225-ish, maybe 230-ish. So we got the squeeze here with the white arrow. That means you have all of your momentum criteria structure. 15 points out of 15, and the last time Google had that was back in October of 23. That squeeze goes on to fire long, and that kicks off 40-50% push in the old Google. They pull back a bit, they pop, they pull back. Brand new monthly squeeze, and again, it could pull back into about $1.80. Could even pull back into about 175-ish, and that's a 13% haircut off the top. I think it'll remain a really bullish monthly chart. So there's your bigger picture, and the shorter term here for the Google. I think it'd be a focus on this 4-hour, 1-hour, and 30-minute squeeze. And I think the real trigger here, given that you have that big $200 level, to me would be a buy trigger on that 4-hour squeeze. Check the indicator, and we have good trend, we have good structure. If they could get momentum down here into a bit of a fresh bear cycle, or a bull cycle rather, we'll get our trigger, and it might be game on the 4-hour squeeze. But keep in mind, $200 is a big old round number. So I'm liking Google, and next up here is going to be the XLK. The short-term entry here I think could be a buy trigger off that daily squeeze, and a lot like your Google 4-hour. No issues in your trend, you have good structure. Compression from your squeeze, it's more of a can we go and get momentum thing. The bigger picture on the XLK would be the monthly chart. Squeeze setting up, got the white arrow, 15 points out of 15. And yeah, market willing, I think a path eventually towards 280, maybe 300. But everything I like right now about that chart could be they could pull it back about 12-13% back to that buy zone. All the things I like about it right now, they would still probably be true. Structure criteria, the trend, momentum. So point being, if we do get a pullback, I don't think it kills that monthly squeeze. If anything, makes for a better buying opportunity. Like in that one, next up here is going to be the Amazon. Now, admittedly, I don't love that daily chart. It's not awful, it's not great. It'd be a little bit cooler back above the 21 EMA. Food for thought there. Bigger picture on the Amazon, and we're only one dot in. But another brand new monthly squeeze, and this one has the green arrow. Squeeze 15 points at the sweet spot for a good entry. Dude, do they take that and break it out and fire that long next week? I kind of doubt it. Bigger picture thinking, unless the market really changes, I think you may be looking up in November, December. They've taken that compression, they break the squeeze out, and you may be looking at Amazon as a $265, $270 stock. Again, if they cream the market, it ain't going to happen. If the months of September, October, into the end of the year, if they're generally more bullish for the overall market, should bode well here for a few of these monthly squeezes. And your last one tonight, guys, will be the semiconductor sector, the SMH. A lot like the XLK, short-term entry, I think, would be that daily squeeze. Structure's good, the trend is good, waiting for the Momo. Bigger picture on the SMH. And this will impact your NVIDIAs, your Broadcoms, AMDs. Bigger picture here again would be another beautiful monthly squeeze. All the bells and whistles, all the pretty colors, and if they can get through 300 and break it long, that's maybe the first step of the path into eventually 350. And again, guys, I'm not talking about a gap up. I'm not talking about one straight shot on a strong candle. Bigger picture time frame, bigger picture thinking. If they do release the energy in a bullish fashion, that's maybe the path over the course of 4 or 5, maybe 6 monthly candles. But all right, y'all, keep an eye on the SMH, XLK, the Google, and the Amazon. And I think the key will be you take the bigger picture time frames, and then in the short term, you take your intraday time frames and your daily chart. Take your daily chart, your 1 hour, your 30-minute. When you get better clarity and better signs of alignment, 30-minute buy signals coming through, you're getting hourly buy signals coming through. And, like I showed you for the XLK and the SMH, they also have those daily squeezes. When these things give you buy triggers, I think that's your shot to, jump in, build up your position, and then maybe see if we can't catch something pretty explosive here between now and the end of the year. But all right, y'all, thank you for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you haven't already, hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.